skill development. Look at our fashion designers all these years. You go to them in the month of November and you tell them I want to stitch a dress for Christmas. Many people will say, "Na, at Zawana, Hula, you come in January." And we have to go back because that tailor is very good or that fashion designer is very good. The clothes really fit you when only that fashion designer stitches clothes. But since that fashion designer has said come in January, we obviously have to listen to her because she does not have time now. You go to a mechanic, you might be holding a very big post in the government. Your scooter or car is broken down. When you go there are already 4 cars in front of them, and you go and tell the mechanic, "No, I am holding a very big post in the government." And that mechanic will tell you, "Whatever post you are holding, I have already got 4 customers before you. You please wait in line." And you have to wait in line. You go to a restaurant and you say, in that restaurant, very good fish curry. And we really appreciate, we tell the boss who is sitting on the counter, very good fish. Social influencers will put up reels saying that that particular place is very good, you should go there and have food. But inside that kitchen is a cook who is cooking the food, which is the reason why the food is tasting so good. If the cook goes on leave, if that particular cook goes on leave, and you go there during those days, you might sometimes realize the difference between that cook's cooking and the new cook's cooking. That is skill. We never ask that cook where you have got your degree from. We never ask that mechanic where you have done automobile engineering. Or we never ask that fashion designer, which big institute have you done your fashion designing for? We go to them without asking them their qualifications because of their skill. And people have been talking about this skill in the last few years. I went for a conference in Bhopal and I just came back 3 days back, and everybody there was talking about skill development. Everybody there was talking about new courses which are coming up in AI, data science. Everybody there is talking about how skills are the most important. And the skills I'm talking about are also life skills, which you might have seen there. Today, communication has become a very important part. It always was. But today, our communication is not just through talking with one another. Today, we communicate with smileys or emojis. We put a thumbs up, we put a heart, we put clapping, we put namaskar. But even those emojis, which have different meanings, are today become very powerful. So if you don't know how to use your emoji properly, you may be in trouble. And I'm saying this because we want all of you to be skilled. I have to mention here that Perpetual Convent High School is one of the first schools in Goa, aided schools, which got approval for apparel and electronics. In fact, I don't know how many of you are aware, we got approval only for 12 schools, aided schools, and yours was one of them. And the headmistress there very happily accepted this, and that is why your school is doing very well in electronics and
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट का जॉब वाव आमच्या नवीन डिग्री आसा
पूण राज फुडें उलयल्या डिग्री सांगताना स्किल्स आसूंक जाय
डिग्री आणि स्किल्स
ते बेश्टे रे हो जॉब आमकांच मेळटलो
आयला उलटा 10 तारीख आणि 15 तारखेक इंटरव्यू
कित्याक घेताय
बरें इश्टागत.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and content.